Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's just get into the video. So our first ingredient here is turmeric. Of course, and we are using turmeric because it treats acne, lightens scars and marks, moisturizes dry skin, and even prevents early signs of aging. Our second and last ingredient is honey. We are using honey because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with healing small cuts and abrasions, and it also fades scars. Please note that using fake honey of any kind will not work well for this face mask and can even cause more skin problems, which is why the Lighthouse honey is the honey brand that I 100% recommend. This is the honey that I have been using ever since I started making this face mask, and I haven't had a single problem using them. Also, for consumption, they are very good. If you'd like to get yours, please call the number on the screen or send them a WhatsApp message using the link in my description box. For tools, we're only going to need a spoon for mixing and a bowl to mix everything in. I'm just using the bowl that I have always used. For the preparation, all we do is take our turmeric and honey and mix both ingredients together like this. Try not to make a mess like me. I can't give a precise direction on the portions you should use when making this. What I usually do is just eyeball it and then look out for a specific consistency. But what I can say is that the ratio between turmeric and honey should be 1:2 when making this. And this is the consistency we are looking out for. Now for the application, I usually like to start off by wiping my face with wet cotton wool. It just gives me the assurance that I am working with a clean surface. Once I'm done, I go ahead to apply the mask evenly on my face using an old makeup brush. You could also use your hands, but then this will stain your hands, which is why I always opt for this brush. After that, I wait 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off. If you are darker skin, I recommend using this face mask at night because it usually leaves a stain. So this is what I looked like before I started using the face mask with my acne, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. I really didn't like myself during this period, to be honest. I know, not very attractive, right? And this is after using it for about a month. And this is just what my skin looked like over time. You guys, I just want to say that this did not happen overnight. This didn't even happen in a week. It took patience and consistency, and it took me loving myself enough to changing my lifestyle completely and forming new habits. And once you start doing that, just watch your skin glow. Stay tuned to this channel for more skincare content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried this out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.